quick. We need to get our data set first. So you click this link and eventually it brings you to this, which is already loaded over here. Let's go here. Let's pretend that I'm Gilly. So I downloaded the data set. See here, downloaded. And I'll come and I'll make a new spreadsheet. Once I make a new spreadsheet, I'll go to File, and I'll hit Import, and then I will go to where I just downloaded that. Maybe. Oh, Wi-Fi, we love you so much. Okay, there we go, almost. Oh, it's going to be so worth it once we get there. File, Import. Man, in my head this was going to be so fast, but I wasn't including all the load times for everything. I was doing this mentally. You're going to click Upload. And once you click Upload, there you go. You might be able to just drag your file from your little download area, or you'll go to Browse and then go to where you download things. Mine always goes to the Downloads folder, so that's where it's set by default. Downloads. Here's all the Transect data I've been downloading tonight for the past hour and 10 minutes plus. Okay, and hopefully it works, because it wasn't working for me earlier. Oh, God. Hold your breath. Oh, man. The suspense is killing me. It did work, thankfully. Okay, the next thing I think it asks us to do is to create a column next to depth. Give it the same values, but negative, right? So we want this to go down. So since this is 1 meter depth, and this is 20 meters depth, right? One of them should be a lot lower. So go and right click over there and then insert one column to the right. And then, I don't know, we can just call it negative depth if we want to. It's still in meters. And here we're going to go equals. That tells it to do an equation. I'm going to click that box. Or you could type F12 if you want to. And I'm going to do times -1. Enter. Oh, I love that autofill. Thanks for reading my mind. Oh no, I had a mistake. Let's click that box and drag it up. Cool, still works. See, F6. That's this box, times -1. Great, let's plot both of these. And notice I'm actually just highlighting the boxes because we have a bunch of different stations here, actually. I'm not really sure if I like how this data set's lined up. You know, it's, I don't know. But we didn't make the data set, so we shouldn't complain too much. Okay, so we plotted our data, and this is not how it was asked to be plotted. We want to make this with, whoops, I was supposed to do the other one, but that's okay. Y-axis will be those negative depths, and the x-axis will be these different ones: salinity, temperature, density. We'll also graph dissolved oxygen on the x-axis too. Whoops, it was this one, right? Okay, so we want our x-axis to be dissolved oxygen, and we want to remove the other y-axis. Remember, series is just another name for y-axis. Okay, let's take a look. Let's zoom out so we can see a little better here. Cool. So, yeah, you can see the 6 milligrams per liter of dissolved oxygen dropping down to a little bit less than 3. You'll want to plot this out for at least 4 different stations. If you do more, I mean, that's kind of cool. I think if you do more, great. I'm just worried about printing. Because once you make these dissolved oxygen, whoops, not redirecting this one. Once you make these dissolved oxygen graphs, I want you to copy them over to this big file over here. So the idea is you paste your graph here. This is a little fun fact. If you link it to your spreadsheet, if I change something on the spreadsheet, it will automatically change it in here. Pretty handy. The idea is you go through and you plot your dissolved oxygen for several different stations. Right, so this was station 5, right, that was 5. And then we have station 4 down here at 17 meters depth, station 3. All these stations are actually lined up along the same region. So once you plot them, you'll paste them into here. So 1 station, 2 station, 3 station, 4 station. Don't paste anything on the blank, that will be the back side. But then we'll print them out. and then we'll actually draw some transects, basically. Maybe I could just pull up that map. Feel free to stop the video at any point, of course. No, I'm looking for... I don't know where those files went. Anyway, yeah, we'll plot some cross sections here. It should be pretty cool. All right, good luck.